Well, hello there. No, that is not my bike. This is my bike.
I don't know what to do. Can't keep my eyes off of you. I'm impatient. Don't keep me waiting. 'Cause you know how I get when you make me upset. Oh, I can't stand it. Oh, I demand it.
Oh, it's that one, isn't it?
Is that the 24-hour light?
Yeah, it's a 24-hour light. I don't know why it's down here.
Oh, you found it then?
Yeah, I found it. Or is that this year's 24-hour?
I've no idea.
Don't know, but it didn't have a plug on it, didn't it?
No, it didn't.
Health and safety at work. Yeah, we left that at home.
So you lot have been busy boys here, haven't you?
We have been a little bit busy.
Yeah.
I've done a few bits and pieces. We got fed up with moving your bike around on the bench.
It's been a year, isn't it?
Over.
Yeah.
So we put a bit of time into it.
Yeah.
And got it off the bench and put another SRAD on the bench.
And so that's Mike the Bike's SRAD there. Come on, focus. There we go. That's Mike the Bike. He's gone for a Fagan replica well, not exactly, but... And let's just talk about this, Rick. This little puppy here. I mean... So, if you remember, the last time I took the swing arm off my bike, it was cracked, wasn't it?
Yeah, we had to get another one because it was Scambuda, and I decided.
It was what?
You can look that up in the dictionary. You'll find it under and get a definition of it. But yeah, so it was cracked.
Yeah.
No good linkage if you shot to pieces. There was no point in going further with that.
No.
It's not like it couldn't be repaired, but it wasn't cost effective. Just buy another one.
And you immediately you had an idea.
An idea of starting something. So
Yeah.
Yours was the first one. Mike's is the second one. Is starting to plate them up just to make them look nice.
So it's gone. It's like a factory look, isn't it? I mean,
that's not
that is unbelievable. I've also you've cut I hated that sort of original bar. You know, that horrible like.
Yeah, we got rid of the torque arm
Yeah,
for the
that's the
rear
one.
brake caliper, and made a little bracket so it's clipped in, so it looks like a modern thing. Effectively, you know, you ain't really spend any more than £3.75.
But so for people, I mean, because I looked at it and was like, that is unbelievable. It is so cool. I mean, like I'm getting a lot of shit for not keeping it period. You know, I've got the forks in. We'll get to that in a bit. But the swing arm, it's a standard SRAD swing arm, just plated and made to look factory. So
Yeah, it was just a bit of fun. And
Yeah.
Well, I had to outdo it, and that was the first one. We made some templates from it, and then we did Mike's one, and we did Mike's brake a little bit different as well. I talk about Mike because he's a nice fellow.
Yeah.
He is a nice fellow.
Mike the Bike, yeah.
Yeah, and he likes his Fagan rep.
Yeah.
Which I think should be an official bike. Fagan rep number 1. But yeah, you know, it made sense just to try and do something with it, which is cost effective.
And of course,
All the plating, all the bits and pieces went in for plating as well.
so as you can probably see, all the nuts and bolts have gone in. Well, most of them have gone in for plating, so they look brand new. Axles, etc., etc. Yeah, run full sprockets.
The Dimag wheels are
Yeah.
on it now.
Oh, doesn't it look good? I mean, yeah, the fork. So I've been getting a lot of shit for not keeping it period, but I just don't care really. This is the look I'm going
The
for.
forks work, don't they? Let's
Yeah.
be honest. Look.
They go straight in pretty much. Well, they do go straight in.
Yeah, they're fine. It worked. It was easy. So that's it. We got the handlebars on it now. We can finish this bit up here. I got to do the link pipe for the
Yeah.
can.
So the K5 headers are back on. I put them on, but I had to take them off very quickly again because we had to get the bike down and didn't have anywhere to put it, so we had to rest it on the bottom of the engine. Yeah, I mean,
I've got to build that arrow can, haven't I?
Yes, that's the next. Well,
next
once that's done, then I can get it off your chest, so to speak.
Well, it works well because I've got 2 of them to do.
Yeah. Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, are those K5 headers as well?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Same but different.
Right. A shout out to Bono. Can you lift the tank a minute? Because I did a half-hearted effort. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's almost mint. It's
a lot.
absolutely. I mean, yeah, I did a half-hearted attempt at cleaning it, but it's now pristine.
Well, I don't know about pristine, but
No?
that reminds me of that film with Step Brothers, Prestige.
Prestige.
Events.
Worldwide.
Yeah, Prestige Worldwide. Reminds me of that. Yeah, but no, that's a lot cleaner than what it was. It was rancid, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we can work on it now. We can start putting it back together. We'll have it running shortly.
Yeah. So things we're waiting on. I just got a K5 master cylinder. We had to change the handlebars because the ignition wouldn't work with the left handlebar. But the forks went straight in. We had a GSXR 600 wheel anyway.
Have you found the calipers?
I haven't found the calipers yet, no.
Okay, hopefully they'll return off their little trip sooner or
Yeah,
later.
I need to find them.
But yeah, make the link pipe up, get the can on it.
And the Samcos are on. You can get a discount using the code on 44 Awards. Go and check it out. Link in description. And what else have we got to do? I mean, oh yeah, let's talk about paint because you convinced me not to do a wrap.
No.
In conjunction with Bono, we were thinking that it's got to be like a Suzuka 8 hours kind of paint job. Not like I don't want a Yoshimura, I don't want a Corona. It's got to be something a little bit.
Just do one of the like home teams from Japan.
Yeah,
One of them.
yeah, like Dog Penis Racing or whatever they're called.
Well, they weren't very successful.
No. But there's Dogfish or Dog Wang or something. I mean, give me some ideas. I'd like to.
Yeah, let's see some ideas to what can be done on
There's
it.
got to be some anoraks out there, like
Yeah.
Suzuka
Yeah.
anoraks.
90s Suzuka 8-hour teams, like back of the field, midfield jobs. Where's the can, Ricky? Is it
Next door in pieces.
actually in pieces now? Is it? Is it? Oh.
Yeah, it's in pieces. I've got the sleeve for it. The core sleeve or tube. I just got to make out the end pieces. I've got to take another one apart upstairs, and we're ready to go. We'll pack it up and it's done. So I'm going to make a titanium link this week.
Yeah.
I'm going to have it. Vroom, vroom.
And it's going to be like a high rise. It's going to be like a factory killy, like high rise
High rise.
job.
It's got to follow the same line as the seat unit, hasn't it?
Yeah, exactly that. So
Yeah.
perpendicular.
This is like Blue Peter, isn't it? This is one like this one, and here's that one done earlier. So I said to you, I'll use this this core,
Yeah.
cut that back, and make an M for it.
Oh, just look at it.
It's upside down.
Oh, you put the end in the wrong way, but yeah.
Well, I haven't put it in the wrong way, have I?
Well, you have.
I haven't. You just
Let's not argue about it.
no, it don't even fit. Look, that's one of them things I'm going to slip and cut on my hand.
Yeah, don't.
No.
Yeah. Look
Now
at
you
that.
can see it. Look.
Look at that. Can you imagine that? Just about there. Oh. Da, 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 da.
How about Red Bull Suzuki?
We'll put those blades
Put
back.
that blade, buddy. Not.
So, but, what? How much would a swing arm? So, if someone came to you with a swing arm and said, "Right, how much is that?" What were you going to charge them?
I don't know. It depends on the brake and everything. Like Mike's,
Depends on who they are.
yeah, Mike's gone full on. He's gone for a Brembo rear caliper and everything on that. He's
Yeah.
crazy balls.
Yeah. Yeah, he ain't messing about his Mike. I noticed. They are obviously they're slightly different. You're never going to match them. You're never going to get a premium match, are you? They're going to look different.
Yeah, yours is the first one we made templates from. We changed it templates, and I don't know. You got 500 quid in your back pocket, haven't you, to do it?
Yeah.
It's a day's work. However you look at it,
Yeah.
it's a day's work for one man
Yeah. Easy.
with a welder and everything. You can't do it any less than that. It's a lot of work. But I think it transforms the the bike.
Oh, it does. Absolutely does, mate. It looks so good. I mean, you know, I really wanted to get the bodywork on, but I just hadn't had time to wipe my ass properly, let alone.
We've been away.
Yeah, well, yeah, and Budget Bike Battle and everything else.
We've been away.
Yeah.
Doing things in the sun.
Yeah.
Yes. But no, it'd be fine. Get this on, get it started. Have we got a front mudguard for it?
No, I need to get. So, no, I need to get. So, is it GSXR 600 K5 K6 or K5 K6?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Should be able to get one of those.
Yeah.
You get a carbon lookalike one, or?
No. I want it to be half classy. I mean, my only kind of doubt at the moment. It's not a doubt, but all this work has gone into the chassis. Oh, we got the Nitron in as well. So I missed filming that, but that's the Nitron's gone in, and we'll give a proper road test of that at some point. Obviously, that's going to behave way better than the shitter that was in there. But yeah, my only concern is that after all this work that's gone into this bike, we start it up and the engine's like thrown a valve or. But it was running alright, wasn't it? It was a good motor. It was solid.
There's nothing really wrong with the engine. The engine was making good power. It is what it is. If it has, it has. We'll deal with it. We can't worry about stuff we haven't got to worry about at the moment.
No.
So let's just get it back on its wheel. It's been 12 months. It's well overdue. Let's get it back. Get it back on its wheels. Get it used. Well, I don't know where Chris is with the old.
Last time I saw it, it was like bare frame and.
We've still got his forks here.
Have you?
Yeah.
Well, I'm absolutely gagging. I can't wait to take this to a track day and really piss some people off. Yeah, can't wait to see what it's like.
But you don't want to go to a track day now, it's freezing cold.
No, not now, no. Well, should we go to Spain on a road trip?
Yeah, why not? I'm ready for Spain at any time at the top of a hat.
Yeah.
What's like thanks, alright.
Go on, just do it. Look at you trying to do your job.
Right.
God.
You're busy, right? That's the sort of noise you get when you're at the dentist, isn't it?
Let's do a Repsol.
It's like a Suzuki Inu.
Let's do a Repsol Suzuki.
Repsol Marcus SRAD.
I bet someone else done that.
I've seen some horrendous things on the old internet.
Yeah, but you look at weird shit.
The best one still is the Mr. Donut RC30, but you can't do it on this.
No, it's sacrilege.
Something like that though, some weird little Japanese donut shop sponsor.
Yeah.
Some, I don't know.
Or come up with a new
Sex
one.
toy.
Come up with a new one.
Want to sponsor the build, guys?
Yeah. Have you got a company? Sponsor the build. Do you want your name on a bike?
Anybody looking to get into bikes?
Thank you, boys. This has turned out way better than I ever imagined. So, let's go.